everybody. Today we are leaving the farm and heading out to go ice fishing. This video was filmed back in February as a part of $50 February 23. However, I did not get a chance to post it, so I did want to make sure that we shared it with you because it's another beautiful drive and it is a different lake. We typically go to Deerfield Lake. However, this one is Center Lake in Custer State Park. In the summertime, this place is hopping. There's a huge campground and it is packed all summer long, and the beaches are full. So it's really such a different scene in the wintertime.